Okay. Hello everyone. Hope you are well out there. Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna have a look at Danny Sullivan's Indy Heat on the Amiga, and this is a game request by John Gage. Okay, so what this is a top-down Formula 1 racing game. So here we go. I have to wait it out here a little bit here. It's a very cool game actually. It was released in 1992 and came out on Commodore 64, Nintendo 8-bit and a few more systems. So here we are in the menu, and I'm gonna put in my name here. There we go, and now I'm gonna choose my driver here. Let's pick anyone here. How about this one in his glasses here? And I'm gonna go with CPU choices here, so I don't have to choose anything. The computer will choose for me. So there we go. Now let's start a race. And I believe this is automatic nitro. That's my guess. So I'm just gonna focus on the driving and try to win a few races here. It's a very addictive little game, this one. So I play in the red car here, going around, and I should try not to bump into everything. But okay, so now I have to go into the pit. Red pit, he said. So I have to obey the order here if I want to keep up the pace. Here we go. So it looks very nice, very nice animations, and you can screw other drivers over by bumping into them while they are in the pit, and they can do the same to you. So here we go. So the white car is leading now. Should try to keep it up here, take over the lead. So now I am in the lead here. So now is the last final lap here. So there we go. So I managed to win this one. But of course you can choose your to do your own choices. If you invest in crew, for example, you will win time. The crew will fix your car faster and all that. So, but I'm just gonna go with the CPU choices here. It's just more convenient. So the first was Illinois, and I managed to win this one. Let's go with CPU choices here, and CPU invested in engine. Now it's time for Indianapolis classic circuit here. 8 laps again. So I play this with my Xbox One controller here. So I just push fire button to accelerate. There's a great mess here in the beginning, and the yellow car is taking the lead. So nice sound and cool sound effects. So everyone is in the pit now. Yep, so now I am second, I believe. Yes, the yellow car is leading. I should try not to. Okay, now everyone is in the pit. So the yellow car has a slight advantage here. But I just gonna try to overtake him here. In the final lap. Like now, it's high time. Can I do this? No, I couldn't. It was a close one. They're gonna try 2 more here. It's very addictive game. It's a very cool game. I'm not a big fan of top-down racers. But this is different story actually. This is super fun. Very addictive, very fun game. Yeah, it has ingredients for a great game. Okay, so now the CPU invested in turbos. That's it's nitro, I believe. So I was saying nitro, but it's turbo, I mean. So New Jersey. Let's go for it. Okay, so now it's getting a little bit tricky here. A little bit more technical circuit. And the yellow car is always a difficult opponent. And it's cool, you can take shortcuts. So where is it my turn to pit now? I cannot see. I think I heard something. Yes, now I see the signs. And the bastard was did everyone see there? That was an example. I have to go one more. Go into the pit now. Oops. Oh shit. I'm screwing up big time here. Okay, now I'm back in business again. Now I'm gonna... Hey! Shit! Okay, now I have to go into the pit again. Piss off! Yellow car. Okay, so the yellow car is... in the pit now, and he's leading. No, I don't want to go into the pit. Didn't mean man. Okay, now I have to go into the pit. Yeah, I'm gonna end up second here, I believe. I'm gonna fuck him over first. Piss off, I'm just gonna go with 4th here and try to win it anyhow. I'm slowing down now. No! So I completely screwed up there. I should have gone into the pit. Yeah, so you know, there's different strategies to approach this game. I'll try now, I'll try there to do a little bit of... yeah, I don't know what I tried, but never mind. A wrong strategy. Okay, so 1 win and 2 second place so far. So this will be the last circuit for today. So Western Canada. Vancouver, perhaps, who knows. Okay, so now I'm going the other direction here. Oops. Oh, I have to go into the pit again here. I'm bumping into a lot of stuff. Okay, that was clear. And here we go again. Yeah, pretty straightforward this one. Come on, hurry up. shit. Okay, so the yellow car is in the lead now. Again. I have to go into the pit again. Hurry up. Okay, so I have to step on it here. The yellow car is leading. And he's blocking the way. Bastard. Slippery bastard. I'm leading here. Last lap here, so yeah, I managed to win that one. Okay, so that was Danny Sullivan's Indy Heat. Yeah, super cool game, super addictive. Cool graphics, nice paced, fast-paced game. Nice sound effects and everything. Yeah, it has everything that is good with the game. So I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 for this one. So there you go. That's it for today. Have a good one. Goodbye.